I want to show you how you can upload a video into Studio within Canvas. Now this could be a video that you recorded, suppose a narration of PowerPoint slides, or it could be another video that you created and you want to get that video out to the students. One way you can do this is in your course, in the course navigation, you're going to have a Studio link. On this page, you're going to have all of the videos that you've previously uploaded into Canvas Studio. But also you can record more videos or add a video that you've already recorded. To do that, click the Add button. If the video is on YouTube, you can put in the link and add it that way. Otherwise, you can drag and drop or browse files on your computer. Search for the video that you want and then click Open. The video will upload and then it will process. Once you have that video uploaded, you can view the asset and modify the details if you'd like. You can also create studio videos on individual pages, whether it's an announcement, an assignment page, a discussion, or a discussion post, or a regular Canvas content page. Let's hop over to announcements, and I'm going to create a new announcement and upload a studio video. Within the Rich Content Editor, I'm going to click on the Studio button. And here I can select videos that I've already uploaded, or I can add a new video. I'll search for the video that I want and click Open. And once again, it'll upload and process. And now I just select which video I want to put onto my page. From here I have the options. Do I want students to be able to comment on my videos or not? And do I want them to be able to download the video as well? I can select another video if I want to, or if I'm all set, then I can click Embed. And that's how I can add a video that I've already created within Studio, whether that be a PowerPoint slideshow that I converted to a movie or another video that I created for my students. Now to share this video with my students, I can email them the link to the page within Canvas where it is, whether that's an announcement, an assignment page, or a regular Canvas page. If I wanted to share the video directly with the students, perhaps email them the video directly, I can click on the Studio button in the global navigation in Canvas. This will take me to my Studio page that has all of my uploads for all of my courses. Of course, I can search for specific courses if I want. In this case, this is a list of all the courses that I've made Studio videos for. And if I find the video that I want to share, I can click on the kebab icon and I can click Share Media. This will give me the option to create a public link or to share with individual people. I can put the name of somebody within my organization or the email. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and create a public link. This link is something that I can copy and I can share it with anybody on email, on social media, and I can also embed the video within a web page, blog, or within Canvas.